Hi everyone, it's Juvie here and welcome to my channel. So today it's our second day here in Port Macquarie and we're going to ride at the Camel at the beach side. So let's go. So here we go. That's where we're going. And this is the camel rides on Lighthouse beach. So this way.
I'm gonna do this at school. I'm gonna draw a camel with me riding it. I'm gonna draw a camel with me riding it.
What a beautiful view. Lovely weather too. It's winter here in Australia, but it doesn't feel like winter at all. We don't need a jumper. So yeah, let's go. Where are you going? Hey? Ah, okay, take your rubber.
Come on, Blakey.
That's the ship.
That's
a ship.
wow. Ah, here we go. Yay! You need to take me a video. Take me a video, sir. Here we go. We're gonna ride a camel. Yes. Look at all the camels waiting for us. Oops. Here we go, everyone. Look at all the camels. We're gonna ride now. At least we are the first one, I think. Hello, everyone. We are going to a camel ride now. To ride a camel. So that's the one there behind. Ah, look at that. Waiting for us. Ah, I'm so excited. It's good. Let's go now. So our camel ride is done. It was so much fun, as in I can never get enough. I can ride all day. It's so good. So we walk around just on the beach, side of the beach, and then what do you call this one, for 20 minutes. It's a very good amount of time to ride. Yeah, as I say, I will definitely come back here again for a camel ride. It's so good. Yeah, and then you don't have, we're lucky we start very early because they start here about 9 o'clock until 2 o'clock. And then yeah, so we come here very early. So that's why I think we're the first one to ride. So we're very lucky we don't need to wait longer for a camel ride. And the good thing is like if you have 4 of you, and then you can just spread, you know, for a ride, like 1 camel each, but me and my son in 1 camel. But it was so good. We really enjoyed it.